Okay, here's an example of a Baldwin entry lock.
Here's your keyhole. There's your thumb locking mechanism. And this thing is loose, so you got to figure out how to tighten it up. And as you can see from the rose plate here, there are no screw holes. You have to remove this set screw. Use an Allen wrench and loosen that, and this thing pulls off. And sometimes these rose plates just pop off, sometimes they twist. This one screws on. Now you can see the screws here that hold the lock in place. So we'll tighten those up. You just screw it back on. Where you don't see any screws here, do some investigating. You'll usually see a set screw here or some sort of spring latch little tab mechanism. That's how you get it off.
Here's a lock in the same house, but it's not an entry lock. This is a closet lock, so it doesn't actually lock. Same style, but it doesn't unscrew. The rose just pops on. And here we have a lever attached to a spindle that's held in place by a little set screw with an Allen wrench. Feed it through the other side, and then you find the corresponding lever, slide it over the spindle, tighten that with an Allen wrench, and that's how that lock works. And as you can see, locks have different parts, but the same basic principles apply to all of them.